Exercise 2, using shapefile data to build a surface. In this exercise, method 1 outlines how to use ArcMap to convert your contour files to a DWG file. We will skip those steps and move directly to the bottom of the page with the sentence that begins, "This process will generate 3D contour lines." Now that we have opened up the chip contour elevations drawing, we can create a new surface. To do that, we'll be in the Prospector tab. We'll right-click over the Surfaces option and select Create Surface. At this point, you can type in a new name here, or you could change it later over in the Prospector, and I can show you that when we get to that option. We'll give it a new name and we'll say OK. Now over here we see our surface has been created, except it really hasn't, it's just been named. So to add data to the surface, we're going to click on it, we'll expand it, we'll expand the Definitions tab, and down here we find Contours. We'll right-click over that and select Add. At this point we need to give our contour data a name, so we'll just call it Existing Contour Data. And we'll say OK. Now, when the computer asks you to select the contours to bring in, we're just going to click and drag over all of the contour data. And when we hit Enter, that contour data is coming in, as you can see in the lower left-hand corner. Now that we have actual data, so what's important here is that these contours actually have data attached to them. As you can see, they have an elevation. Once we have contour data, then we can proceed with our design. Note, since this DWG file was created in ArcMap, there are no preset layers or styles, so the user will have to set those up themselves.